Have you ever found a beautiful photograph online but hesitated to order it because you couldn't quite visualize how it would look on your own wall? I completely understand. That is why I put together this short visual tour. Whether you're looking to bring the vibrant red rocks of Sedona into your living room, add a stunning Milky Way panorama to your bedroom, or feature wildlife in your office, the right presentation changes everything. Through my Fine Art America collections, you are in complete control of the final piece. You choose the exact specifications to perfectly fit your environment, from the print size and paper type to the specific matting and frame style. Sit back, relax, and enjoy a few examples of how these high resolution landscapes and astrophotography prints can transform a space. When you're ready to customize a piece for your own home or office, visit my gallery at judge.pixels.com.